Vinit?
Ambassador Mukherjee, in fact, there are a lot of theories floating around that Pakistan, after realizing that they had suffered a number of losses, including these terrorist sites, pleaded in front of the Americans, saying that there is only one possibility left, that India is accelerating this conflict so fast that we will not be able to defend ourselves, and the nuclear arsenal that we have, ma'am, is going to fall into the hands of organizations that do not want peace, especially the TTP, and that is why the DGMO called our DGMO for the cessation of hostilities. But the plank that Pakistan is riding at this point in time is completely different. The separation of interest, the separation of the army and the civil government over there is confusing the entire world, and it's only India that understands this language.
Well, I had heard a slightly different spin, which was that some of their nuclear arsenal is already been secured by the Americans. That is more than 2 to 3 years ago that this happened. So they have what in army parlance is called small tactical dirty nuclear weapons, which they have tried to use as a method of deterrence to stop us from going in and finishing them off. I do regret that. I really wish that we did not have a ceasefire for the next 3-4 days, so that our Air Force and our Army would have gone in and finished them off, so that we would have had peace for at least 10 years. That is my regret. And if they are breaking the ceasefire, I'm not shedding any tears. I hope that then our Air Force and our Army will say they've broken the ceasefire and we can finish the job which we could not finish last evening after 6 p.m. After 5 p.m. as the ceasefire was declared. Secondly, as far as that tactical nuclear weapon is concerned, first of all, the problem for them would be if we shoot it down in their airspace, the contamination that it will spread. What gives them the remotest impression that our Air Force and our Army will allow them to enter our airspace? If we shoot down their dirty tactical nuclear weapon on their airspace, they are the ones who are affected. The Chinese are affected. The Afghans are affected. It depends on the wind direction. Why do you think that the Chinese foreign minister called up to say that they don't want escalation, they want us to back off? The second issue here is that do they think that we are, as they used to call us, a Hindu nation, all vegetarian, we don't know how to fight. People who are vegetarian, who don't eat red meat, don't know how to fight. This is all nonsense. What gives them the impression that we are going to sit here quietly and wait for them to drop their nuclear weapons on us? The first thing we need to do, we need to change our no first use strategy as far as Pakistan is concerned. We need to declare that as far as this rogue state is concerned, there is no first use policy. If we think that our national security and that of our people is endangered, we will not hesitate to use our nuclear arsenal, which is under full civilian control, and nobody has the assets except our own civilian government under our Prime Minister. Thirdly, Vineet, what is very important is that the fake narratives that were spun, which was intended to cause terror among the civilian population, particularly in the forward areas within India, that has not worked at all. And all their big claims, they shot down 3 Rafales, they shot this down, they shot that down, they've captured 3 pilots, they know everything about us. This has all been debunked at this briefing. There are no pilots in their custody. So I think that I have my own views about the timing of the ceasefire, and I think that they are playing into India's hands by not respecting the ceasefire. Not respecting the ceasefire gives us a great opportunity to go in and finish off unfinished work. So I'm sorry for my friends who are sitting in complete darkness in Chandigarh, in Jaisalmer, and in Jammu, and in other areas, sitting there, not coming to safer areas, sitting it out in solidarity with our armed forces. They are sitting it out. It's just for another few days. Let's go in and finish off the unfinished work.
Absolutely right, ma'am. And General Chaturvedi,